The case to remove Sheriff Alfred Montgomery delayed tonight. This is the state case to remove him from office, separate from the federal case where Montgomery is criminally charged.
First Alert 4 investigator David Amalotti has been following the sheriff's turmoil for months. He was in the courtroom when the judge opted to push the trial.
Trial was supposed to get underway at 9:30 Tuesday morning, but there was just one problem. Sheriff Alfred Montgomery was not in the courtroom. He is still in the custody of the federal government. And Judge Steve Omer says he just doesn't see a way to give him fair due process if he's not in the room for his trial. We caught up with David Mason, Montgomery's attorney, minutes after court let out. Why was the sheriff not in court today?
Sometimes the operations of court can go a little slower. The judge has priorities other than this trial. This is a civil matter. It's a state civil matter. The judge has obviously his own docket of matters to deal with.
We know a motion was filed last week to make sure Alfred Montgomery was in court. The defense filed that on Thursday, but the federal judge didn't act on it. We asked David Mason if the defense allowed enough time to ensure their client was in court for his trial.
It's a very good question. Keep in mind, we've all been heavily involved in trying to get this done. Let's just say in situations where I was faced with as a judge, sometimes I did find a phone call from my office would make things happen very quickly. Now, whether or not the federal system can operate like that, I don't know.
Do you anticipate he'll be here tomorrow?
My fingers and my remaining toes are all crossed in that regard.
Again, this is the Attorney General's case to remove Alfred Montgomery as sheriff permanently. He faces 6 charges. We're told by Judge Omer that we'll be back in court Wednesday morning at 9 a.m. for this trial to start, as long as the sheriff is in the courtroom as well. If not, there's a real possibility this trial gets fully rescheduled. In downtown, David Amalotti, First Alert 4 investigates.
Right now, Alfred Montgomery is temporarily removed as sheriff. Former City Police Chief John Hayden is the interim sheriff for the time being.